Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the Pitbull Terrier video short. And here I will use the CapCut. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access or use the CapCut first, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And if you are the user of the iOS phone or even the tab or PC, don't worry because this CapCut is accessible to be opened into your iOS phone or even the tab or laptop itself. And this is the home page of the CapCut, and don't worry and don't forget to do the login first with your email because you will have more access to try the several tools over here. And after that you can start to select the picture to create the video, or you can also add the video clips that you want from your gallery. For example, you can combine the picture and also the video at the same time like this, and after that you can continue to click add over here. So this will be several clip and also the picture that I will show you or create into the video. So the first layer will be the picture and also the video, and I have combined it into one video over here, but still can be edited because I haven't rendered it before. And after that you can add more audio that is also related to your video. But if you'd like to add your favorite song, then it is very okay. You can add it into this section. You can add it into this section, the audio section, or this one. And you can add sounds, whether that from this recommended song or from your device like this. And the next step is I would like to add the several effects. For the very first effect, I will put all over this picture and this clip into this, or embedded it with this effect named Smart Sharpen. You can find this effect into the trending category and you can activate this one, Smart Sharpen. You can apply to it, and after that you can put it into the all over the clip until the end like this. And the layer or the second layer will be the tinted overlay. It will be the opening effect of this video. And the next effect would be the transition effect between this clip 2 and clip 3. I put the blank effect, and you can find this effect into this category. You can find this effect transition by type the transition word into keyword into this section, and after that you will find the effect named blank like this, and you can apply to it. So the transition will be like this, guys. And make sure that the motion will be also suitable and pass with the transition of the clip 2 and clip 3. And for the next effect, I will put the cross flash. This is the transition from the picture to become the video like this. You can find this cross flash into the category of the trending, and you can click cross flash. And for the third layer will be the effect named flash bounce. You can find this effect into the trending category and you can apply to it, and you can apply this effect for the all over clip, whether the picture or even the video clip, guys. And after that I will show you the adding the picture and also the clip. For example, I will choose this one and this one. You can click add here. Perfect. And after that I will lengthen the duration of this effect, the effect of smart sharpen, and also the flash bounce. Like this, the flash bounce I have lengthened into the end of the clip. And after that I will start to duplicate the effect from the previous one. So I will use or duplicate this tinted overlay, cross flash, and also the blink for the transition effect. For example, I will start off from this tinted overlay, click duplicate, and I will move it to this section. And after that I will also duplicate this cross flash effect, move it into this section. And after that I will also use this blink, like this, and you can also play with it. So you can move this effect of this blink maybe to the left or to the right until the motion will be fit into this transition. For example, the result or the output will be like this. Okay, when the blink effect is activated, so suddenly the picture will be changed into the another one. And after that this tinted overlay will be placed into this below this picture. And after that this cross flash will be slightly a little bit on the first second of this last clip, and you can put it here to create the dramatic effect. So I'm also sorry in advance because I cannot play the full song or the full music of this video, but don't worry, I will put the piece of it for you to respect the copyright. For example, like this, something like that. And let's go to the, let's say, the transition effect, for example. So that will be the result of this video editing. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this Pitbull Terrier trending TikTok or trending video into your version. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.